Luckily, you don't need to know Portuguese to read this recipe. How bad is it? Oh my gosh.
Well, what are we making?
We're making Brazilian cheese bread. Okay. Should I just do it like this? Okay, got all cleaned up, but don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
All right, so what are we doing?
Yeah, we got the Brazilian cheese bread that you found, actually.
Yes, I've been seeing a lot of it. We were going to do something different for this trendy.
We were going to, actually.
But I thought, heck, been seeing this Brazilian cheese bread pop up. Might as well give it a try. So we've never made this.
We have not
excited.
made it. And thinking back now, if we would have done the other thing, I might not have got tapioca starched.
I know. Well, so good thing we switched.
Yeah. Yeah, that was funny. And this is actually a really easy recipe, but you do need a blender or a mixer, but you know, we're gonna use a blender.
Oh, and I'm gonna preheat the oven to 400 while you're doing that.
We need to preheat the oven to 400, and we need 2/3 cup of milk, which is in my fridge.
Nope, it is not.
Oh, it's in one of the other many fridges we have.
Well,
but I can just go ahead and move on. Nope, it's too late. You're already here. Cool.
From the great cleanup, I had to put
that's true.
Back up.
That's I was a little preoccupied.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add our milk into our blender.
Egg?
Yes, 1 egg.
That is excellent.
And we're gonna use pepper jack cheese. Cool thing about this recipe, you can use whatever cheese you want.
Yeah, you can make mixes, pepper jack cheddar. I saw some people use feta cheese, so it's really, I think that's the fun thing of this. It's so versatile, but I did, you have to use the tapioca flour. You can't substitute that.
Yeah, this is the only thing that you can't change.
Yes, but you try to put it in the blender, not on your face.
Yeah. And if you get it all over your face, people might start getting ideas.
Yes.
So, but we're gonna do 1.5 cups of this tapioca powder, starch, whatever you want to call it.
And there is a recipe actually right on the package.
On the back of this.
So it's kind of catching on.
Yeah, I think it really is a truly trendy recipe. Trying my best not to spill any more than we already did. Whoa.
Still need some practice.
Why is it always me that gets so messy?
I don't know. Why is it?
Would you give me a little measuring cup for this oil?
Oh, yes, I will.
Awesome.
Need a quarter
Yeah,
cup.
we're doing 1/4 cup. Awesome. Just need to...
That's just a good little olive oil. I guess you could use a vegetable oil. It really doesn't matter.
Yeah, you could. Avocado oil, coconut oil. You probably want to use the no flavor coconut oil though.
Yeah. Or it'll taste coconut.
Yeah, which, you know, I guess you could do like a coconut cheese bread. I don't know.
Yeah, so why not?
Right? We got 1/4 cup of that. And then I also need my measuring spoons for my salt.
Salt.
Yeah, doing 1/4 teaspoon of that.
All right.
Or actually a 1/2 teaspoon, sorry.
Oops, I gave you the wrong one then.
I misspoke.
Well, see, it seems pretty simple. You're just gonna throw it in, make a batter while you're mixing it, and you can put it in muffin tins. You can put it in small mini tins or the regular ones.
Yeah.
And we got the regular ones, but while you get that blending, I'll grab these guys and
cool.
Give them a little.
Get them oiled?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool.
That's simple.
It's easy as that. I mean,
now you just fill them up. You want to get a spatula and kind of knock down the sides a little?
Yeah, let's do that.
Just to make sure that everything's incorporated. No glumps. Then you're gonna what? Fill these about halfway full, a little over halfway full.
Perfect. I think we can make that happen.
Well, let's do it.
All right. Well, once you get your muffin tins filled, all we got to do is put it in our oven that we already preheated to 400 degrees.
There you go.
Yeah, we're gonna be baking these for about 20 minutes. So let's pop these bad boys in. Bam. And set our timer, and we'll be back. Well, we have made our Brazilian cheese bread.
Ooh, that looks really good. Those are cool. I like those.
Aren't those freaking awesome? They almost fell on the floor.
That's a remake them.
But no, we let these rest for a couple minutes, and
they feel like that's so cool.
Yeah, that's super cool, and I guess it's what, gluten-free, right?
Yeah. Tapioca.
I would say so.
Ooh,
look at that! Wow.
I'm excited about these guys.
Cheers.
That's good. It's like gooey, cheesy on the inside.
Yeah.
Nice, crisp on the outside. Man.
Yeah. I'll be honest, the kind of cheesy inside is a little different texture than I was expecting, but
well, it was like very like cheese.
Yeah. It's like
cheese bread, so it's kind of
but it's like cheese. Not like a bready.
These are so fun. They're easy.
Yeah.
You don't have for quick little dinner rolls and stuff like that. I would throw these out
for sure
for anything, and you don't have to wait on yeast. You can just blend it up, put it in your tins, and go.
Blend and go. Yeah, that is the nicest thing about it.
Yeah, cool. I like it. Good job. I like this trim.
Yeah,
but I think I would like a little sharp cheddar in there.
Oh yeah,
give that a little sharp cheddar-y.
Some sharp cheddar would be cool. Also, a fun thing to maybe try would be like some cream cheese, maybe a little bit of sugar or something, like try and do a dessert Brazilian cheese bread. That would be fun. You might could even like swirl some jam or something.
Yeah, do some sweet and then drizzle like chocolate over the top.
Yeah, yeah. And after you put it in there, you might could do like a little dust coating on top, so you get like kind of a sugary crust on top.
Well, these are fun. I like them. Obviously, I ate the whole thing, so.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Especially if you like cheese.
Well, I do love cheese, so.
Me too.
I'm pretty cheesy. That was bad.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad. Be honest though, was that the texture you were expecting on the inside?
I wasn't expecting it to be that milky cheesy.
Yeah, because it's like
eating like a nice little puff ball with like a cheese stick, almost like
a. Don't do like me and get tapioca flour all over yourself.
Yes, do not.
Yeah. But don't forget to keep it trendy.
Yeah.
Luckily, you don't need to know Portuguese to read this recipe. Oh my God.
Well, what do we make it?
We're making Brazilian cheese bread. How bad is it? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. That's good.
Okay. Should I just do it like this?